Tow-behind dump trailers are everywhere. Every day, contractors, landscapers, farmers, roofers, ranchers, junk removers, scrappers, and homeowners rely on them. They come in many sizes and serve a wide range of industries. In the U.S. alone, hundreds of manufacturers produce dump trailers, which are then sold at thousands of dealerships and large retailers. Despite the size of the market, dump trailers have seen little innovation. Most still rely on the traditional sheet and post design with inherent structural limitations. The hollow columns on traditional dump trailers remain the weak point. Each column is a separate section, meaning individual sections can bend under weight, especially near the door, where all the pressure concentrates when dumping a load. When loading unevenly, which is almost always the case, the only support in the traditional design comes from the specific section where the load is placed. Introducing the Foxbox dump trailer, a patented double-wall design that is 498.99% stronger than conventional trailers. By eliminating columns, the most common failure point, the Foxbox trailer ensures greater durability and longevity. The inner wall remains a single steel sheet, but instead of columns, strategically placed structural panels reinforce the design. Picture a corrugated box, only in steel. The entire structure is then continuously welded for maximum strength. Foxbox trailers feature full perimeter drainage. A patented drainage channel runs between the two walls, ensuring that any condensation drains straight out, with no standing water, preventing rust and corrosion. Foxbox trailers are designed with the customer in mind. Owners of dump trailers take pride in their equipment. They demand durability, functionality, and professional branding. With a flat panel exterior and a dedicated 60-inch billboard panel, Foxbox trailers allow businesses to prominently display their logo and branding without the obstructions of columns or tie rods. This clean, professional look is only possible with the Foxbox dump trailer, an indispensable point of difference for the 600,000 American landscaping companies, the 700,000 home improvement businesses, and, of course, the 1.9 million farms and ranches that grace this great nation from sea to shining sea. The company that secures the exclusive rights to Foxbox's revolutionary dump trailer will dominate a $1 billion market. Bain Capital, one of the largest private equity firms in the world, owns American Trailer Works, a company that generated $1.4 billion in trailer sales last year, with a significant portion coming from dump trailers. Put Foxbox trailers side by side with any other dump trailer, and customers will choose Foxbox 10 times out of 10. Foxbox is seeking an exclusive partnership with Tractor Supply Company. Under this agreement, Tractor Supply can brand and market this new generation of dump trailers however they wish. Foxbox will remain invisible to the consumer. The focus will be on Tractor Supply's brand and market leadership. Tractor Supply has the infrastructure and market presence to make this the new standard in dump trailers. And with exclusive rights, there's no competition on price. Tractor Supply will be able to price the Foxbox dump trailer to value, creating margins that are unprecedented in an industry where everyone sells the same old-style design and competes for market share only by price. Manufacturers who already produce leading trailer brands will be eager to build the Foxbox for Tractor Supply. With exclusivity, Tractor Supply gains an unparalleled market advantage. Despite its advanced design, the Foxbox trailer is engineered for efficiency. It weighs the same and costs the same to manufacture as a traditional sheet and post trailer, yet delivers significantly greater strength and durability at no extra cost. The future of dump trailers has arrived, and it has a name. Foxbox isn't just a better dump trailer, it's a new business. a business that Tractor Supply can own and define. The question isn't whether Foxbox will change the market, but rather who will lead the charge. Foxbox is offering the retailer's holy grail: product superiority, clear product differentiation, higher margins, retail exclusivity, and the ability to brand the Foxbox dump trailer as your own.